Take 25.
Welcome to our studios here at UC Santa Cruz Silicon Valley Extension. I'd like to show you some cool tools that we use to make online videos. Aside from the green screen, we sometimes like to mix it up by using our learning glass. Instead of a whiteboard or blackboard, the glass becomes a handy choice for people like myself to visually explain. And when I need to do recordings on my own, I can go into one of our 4 micro studios by making screen captures on a touchscreen. There's software that allows me to move freely on an infinite canvas, draw over images, record and even edit afterwards, all by myself. So how do you get me to look like I'm not writing backwards on the learning glass? That's right, I get it now.